Hi again, this is Brian Jardine, and this is the second in the Staying on Budget series, and this is the Can You Hear Me Now installment. This is all about communication. You know, web developers are notorious on long projects for just going dark for months. You have no idea what they're working on because they're working behind the scenes, and in their minds they're just moving along. There's nothing wrong with that. The problem is that throughout that development they may be heading in a direction that might not fit the needs of the project, and even though the spec was established, as we learned in the last installment, the developer may just have an understanding that's not exactly in line with what the client wants. So one of the things that we do is at DevSavvy, we over-communicate with our clients, and we do our best to communicate as much as possible, as often as possible, and our partners communicate with us as often as possible. That's why we have such good relationships with our partners. Our marketing directors we work with, graphic design firms that we work with, they love the fact that they can just pick up the phone and call, or they can email us. And the importance in that is that we don't go dark, we don't head in a direction that doesn't fit the original needs of the project. Or you might have a rush project. I've found that on rush projects or shorter term projects, tasks, basic needs, new page added to a website, or updating the copy on 4 or 5 pages, those kinds of things, the best way to communicate is to have some kind of online tool. At DevSavvy, we developed our own dashboard. It's an online dashboard where you can just log in with your username and password that we provide you, and you can access information on the projects that we're working on. You'll know if something was on hold and why it's on hold. If something has started, or if it hasn't started yet, you'll know the ETA when we estimate having that project completed, and you'll also know once it's ready for review. So communication is really a great way to stay on budget in projects. As a web development company, we find it essential and crucial in the way that we work with our partners. So thanks for watching this video. In the next one, the next and final one, we'll talk a little bit about scope creep and how we handle scope creep, which is really a part of every project, unfortunately, but it's also a good thing because clients are thinking about what they want to add and good features that maybe they didn't think about in the beginning. So catch us on the next one. All right, thanks so much for your time.